Hello, my name is Aditi Ramesh Jadhav. I am from April batch. My today's subject is non-technical story, and the story name is Tenali Raman Battle of Wits. The one day the great Maharaj comes in a Vijayanagara. He is very talented. He had won the all the he had won the all the prizes in their field. He gave challenge to King Krishna Dev Raya to debate him. The King Krishna Dev Raya said to all its Panditji to debate him, but the Pandit was scared to debate with the great Maharaj because he had various knowledge about their field. But the king is very upset the king was very upset on the Pandit. Then the Pandit thinks that share the problem with the Raman had the solution about this problem. They can share the problem. The Pandits share the problem with the Raman. Raman said, "I have one idea. For the one day you can you can suppose me you can suppose me as a chief pandit for the one day." The pandits agreed for this condition. Then the next day, Raman was coming in a court. He seated in front of this Maharaj, and the two pandits comes giving the one one stick with the silk cloth on this. Then the Raman said, let's debate on the Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Let's debate on the Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Then the Maharaj was scared. He was read all the Sanskrit books, but he had no idea about this book or about this subject Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. He left the court. Then the king was very curious about to learn what is this. Then the Raman removed the clothes on this. There is a various stick bundle with the rope. Then the king asked, "What is this?" The Raman said, "The teen means mustard, and the kashta means stick. The teen kashta means the stick of the mustard plant, and the mahisha means buffalo. And the bandhana means we can store the buffalo with the huge rope. Means Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana means the mustard sticks sticked with the rope. Then the king was laughing. The king was laughing on the locking on the Raman, and other Pandits also locking on the Raman. Raman. So this Maharaj is run. So Maharaj run from the court, and he can accept his he can accept his he can lose.